Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. In today's video, I am going to tackle my small storage closet and turn it into a utility closet that is functional and useful. I have been meaning to tackle this for a while now. I just haven't get around to it, but today is the day. This is such a satisfying transformation, so stay tuned because you are going to enjoy this video. But before we get started, I'm so excited to tell you that this is a collaboration video with my new friend here in YouTube land. Her name is Erica. I will let her introduce herself to you all. After watching my video, please head over to Erica's channel and watch her video too. She's going to clean and declutter her garage, so you will get double of extreme cleaning motivation today to help you tackle your own to-do list. I will leave her channel and videos link in the description box below. She is such a sweet person and I promise you will love her.
Hello everyone, my name is Erica and my channel name is She Wolf Mom. I am a stay-at-home mom to two and I am also married to my high school sweetheart. Over on my channel you will find a ton of cleaning motivation. I post a new video every Friday. Over the last 2 years I've really been looking for methods that make cleaning easier and more efficient, and it is all of the tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way that I like to share in my videos. So please stop by. I'd love to get to know you. And thank you, Selle, for collaborating with me today.
If you are from Erica's channel or if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Selle, a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I upload new video every single week about cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, and a little bit of mom life. If those are what you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family and the notification bell next to it so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and joining me in today's video. I really do appreciate all your love and support. As you see in the beginning, this closet is very small and awkward space because it is under my stairs and I do not have light in here whatsoever. So I pick up two of the Dollar Tree battery operated light to put in here to give this space some light. And OMG, the difference is night and day literally. As always, I like to start with a clean slate, so I'm taking everything out of the closet and I'm going to sweep the floor, and I'm also going to wipe down the cube storage that I have in here and the baseboards. I left some paint stored in here because honestly, I have nowhere to put it and we are still going to use them for some home projects this year.
You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud. So loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know.
going to use the white baskets that I use in my old house utility closet. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description box below. It's another satisfying small closet transformation. I also use this basket in my pantry. The short white baskets are from Target, the taller ones are from Walmart, and the big green ones are from HomeGoods. If I can find them online, I will link them in the description box below for you in case you're interested.
I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb. Doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way
I love using baskets to organize because I can separate everything by category and I can see everything still and everything has a home. You'll see later at the end. I really love how this turned out. It's so satisfying. I cannot believe that this is how it looks now, and every time I open this door, instead of getting stressed, I am so happy and it makes me smile.
how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? If
picked up this over-the-door shoe organizer from Target. Originally, I was gonna put it inside the closet, but I didn't realize it was so tall, so it's not working in there. So I'm going to keep this by the door. I have plastic storage over here, but I have to take it down because it's in the way. And I'm going to use this storage for my gift wrappers because they need a home, and they are honestly the ones that's stressing me out the most. In the first basket, I put everything that I am going to use for my DIY projects, and then on the second one, I put all the party related items that I can use for future parties. So these are all trash, and then these are all my kitchen towels and table runners. They're going in my kitchen island drawer, so be on the lookout for that on my channel, guys, because I will be organizing my whole kitchen cabinets and drawers. And then these, I'm going to give this away. I don't know, I don't like that anymore. This is my new vacuum that's gonna go inside there. And then this, I am gonna just throw it away. I haven't used this. I don't know where to use this. I don't like it anymore. So, and then this one, these are just like fake flowers that I'm not using right now. And then these, I'm gonna have my husband get through this. I don't know what we need to keep and what we can't throw away. So I'm gonna put this in a different closet right now. I do have another closet by the laundry area, which I'm also gonna organize after this one. So if you like organization, I have tons coming for you guys. And then these are the stuff that I did not use. This needs to go in the kitchen. That one was here before, but I need to take it away because it's in the way. So I think I'm gonna move that in the kitchen. It makes more sense because every time we do grocery shopping, we put the plastic bags in there anyway. So I'm gonna move that in my kitchen. And then this needs to go in the kitchen. And then these over here are extra storage that I did not use. Maybe I'll use it somewhere else. And then these are just dirty rugs. I'm just gonna put this in here. Cause I usually wash my dirty rugs right away, but if it's only one or two, I'm just gonna put them in here so that I could see it right away and I have space for it. So, and then I am loving this. I got this idea from Catherine from Do It on a Dime here, and yeah, so these were all a big thing, and then I just cut it out. And I love that it's all organized. I usually have more of these. I don't know where they went. I think I put them together with my Christmas decor. So when I put that out this December, I'm gonna put everything else here. And then these, I just put this here for now because I don't have a home for that. I'm gonna have an umbrella right here. And then these are drawer liners. I'm gonna use this for my kitchen cabinets when I finally organize them, so they're there for now. I'm gonna show you the rest later, but I'm gonna get rid of all the other stuff first and then we'll go there.
I just wanna lay your body down, hold you close until the end of time, even if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, my heart breaks. Even if my heart breaks, my heart breaks. Even if my heart breaks, I just wanna lay your body down, hold you close until the end of time. Even if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, my heart breaks.
I hope you enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Please don't forget to check out Erica's video, link will be in the description box. Tell her I sent you. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!